Hello friends, here Dr. BC, and today in this video episode I am going to show you the dual SIM capability of Samsung Galaxy Note 5 device. This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 5 device. For our previous video on unboxing and how to insert the SIM card, please click on the link flashing on the screen. Now this video concerned only about the dual SIM capability of this phone. Now as you can see that this is a device version and the model number is SM N9208. Now it has a dual SIM slot here. I had already taken out that slot and show you that there are two SIMs and both of the SIMs are from Airtel. Now I will put that SIMs inside this dual SIM slot and the phone will ask for restarting. Now the phone is booted up and you can see that the both SIMs are detected, SIM1 and SIM2, both are from Airtel. Now first of all I will show you the model number. For that go to setting and then to about device. You can see that the model number is SM N9208 and the software info, you can see that it is Android version 5.1.1 and that is Android version. Now I will show you the 4G capacity of this both SIMs. If you go to the SIM card manager and you can see that if we turn on the network on SIM2, you can see that the data service is now activating on SIM2. The data service network is changed to SIM2. It is taking too much time. What happened? Mobile network. You can see that the network mode on SIM2 is LTE, 3G and 2G. Still I have a choice to switch 4G on SIM1. Two SIM cannot use 4G or 3G at the same time. The other SIM will be changed to 2G. You can see that. So you can see the both slot on this phone will support 4G. You can manually switch from 3G, 2G or 4G in mobile network setting. Now you can see that my SIM1 is on 4G and I will change the data to SIM1. Okay, the knocks warning, and I think I had 4G balance on the SIM1. Yeah, I think the network is now going down and finally you can see that 4G on the SIM1. You can also see the status from SIM1 is again it is on edge, SIM2 again on edge. Okay, you can see that now the SIM1 is on 4G network. So you can see that the both slot on this phone support 4G, but at one time you can connect only one SIM to the 4G and another SIM to 2G. So you can see that the both of the SIM support 4G on this Samsung Galaxy Note 5 device. Now this completed this part of the video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. The subscription link is shown on your screen, and for more videos on upcoming phones, gadgets, technology and many more, keep watching BCD Tech. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.